Hi guys, I am ready for you, but it's not showing up. Hi, I'm just jumping on here to let you know that I've updated in Schoology Dreambox, which is a math program. We haven't used it much, but it is something that we can use in distance learning, and it's very valuable, so it's an offer to you. During the week, we're going to be doing math on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and review days for all classes on Friday. So in math, we're only going to be doing 60 minutes a day at the most. I've already uploaded some videos and notes and things for you to do. It's probably not going to take you 60 minutes some days, and some days it will. And on Fridays, I'm saving that day for games and Dreambox. And so I'm going to show you, let me see if I can get it up here, one of the photos that I've put in here for you. No, sorry, that is one of them, but we're going to look at something else. This one? Yeah. This one? No. Okay, stop. Hi guys. I've uploaded a program called Dreambox in Schoology and how to sign on to it, and it's just something that you can do in distance learning. On Monday, we're going to be starting distance learning in Coppell ISD, and on Tuesdays and Thursdays are our math days for an hour each, and on Friday is a review and catch-up day. I'm not sure. Review, we'll just call it review. So on Fridays, I'll be posting mostly Quizlets, quizzes, gym kits, Kahoots, things for you to play with the information that we've been working on. And for 8th grade math, we are reviewing our year. So we're lucky in that we've finished the things that we need to do. And we're going to just be reviewing for the year and finishing 8th grade. So I need two things from you. I need you to use integrity and honesty, and I need you to use desmos.com for your calculator. So nothing's really changed. We've used Schoology all year long, and the new folder in Schoology is called Distance Learning. And when you open that, there's some information like some collaboration rules for distance learning. I really need you to look at that. And then there's just a welcome from me offering you to join our Flipgrid. And then there's also Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. You can work at this on your own pace. You don't have to do Tuesday, then Thursday, then Friday. You can get it done if you're done your other lessons, but you're just required to work on math Tuesdays and Thursdays. I hope that you guys are doing well, and I look forward to us getting together again in room 118. But in the meantime, my office is in my dining room table. Where are you doing your work? Talk to you later.